Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Today I'm displaying to you the account of one of my students that got my affiliate marketing course. That's my complete video course and my software, and I've been using it to get sales on his Clickbank affiliate marketing business. As you can see on the screen, he started on May 25 and he has been getting results, as you can see on the screen. So for people that are still doubting or that still want to get my software, and the complete video course is still very much available. He's really getting great sales and is happy. So I'm just managing the account for him. Like he's the one doing it, but I'm also checking it to see how it's going here also. So if you want the software and my complete video course, text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me through my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or through my number in the description of this video on Telegram. Remember, the earlier the better. When you start earning now, you will, like many people has been getting the software. I will still review to you the account of some of my students which I have sold the software to, and they started earning already. So if you want to earn today, message me today at skywet07@gmail.com. Thank you. Good day.